Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Have you done your homework? Okay, so let's start our online class. Are you ready? Very good. In the last class we have studied cube and properties of a cube. So today I am going to teach you cube root. Cube root. Okay. So students, we will understand with the help of examples. Okay. Students, cube root is opposite of a cube. Cube root is opposite of a cube. We know that 8 is the cube of 2. 8 is the cube of 2. Okay. Cube of 2 is 8, and we can say that 2 is cube root of 8. 2 is cube root of 8. Okay. The cube root of a number is represented by the sign is cube root. It is the sign of a cube root. Okay. Let us take an example. Cube of 3. Cube of 3 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 equal to 27. The cube of 3 is 27. Okay. Cube of 3 is 27. Okay. And we know that cube root is opposite of a cube. Cube root is opposite of a cube. So 3 is cube root of 27. 3 is cube root of 27. So 3 is cube root of 27. Okay. Cube of 3 is 27 and 3 is cube root of 27. Understood? One more thing, cube root of negative number. Cube root of negative number is also a negative number. Like, take an example, cube root, it is a cube root sign, and minus 512. Minus 512. Students, we know that cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 512 is 8, and cube root of minus 512 is minus 8. Minus 8. Okay. And it is a cube root sign, minus 64. Minus 64. The cube root of 64 is 4. The cube root of 64 is 4. But the cube root of minus 64 is minus 4. Okay. Understood? So, the cube root of negative number is always a negative number. Okay. Friends, we have to find the cube root by prime factorization method. Okay. So, let us take an example. Find the cube root of 729. 729. Okay. We will find the cube root by prime factorization method. So, we have to solve the given number into prime factors by successive division. By successive division. Okay. So, 729. 729 divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So, we get 243. We get 243. Okay. And next, 243 is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. So, we get 81. We get 81. 81 is also divisible by 3. So, we get 27. Okay. 27 is also divisible by 3. So, we get 9. 3 9 ja 27. And 9 divisible by 3. So, we get 3. Okay. 3 3 ja 9. And 3 is also divisible by 3. So, 3 1 ja 3. Okay. We get these prime factors. We get these prime factors. Okay. So we will write here 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Okay. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Understood? Now we have to make pair. We have to make pair of 3 equal integers. 3 equal integers. And in each pair the prime factors are same. The prime factors are same. Okay. Now take one prime factor from each pair. Take one prime factor from each pair. So 3 and 3 take from this pair. Okay. And product of these prime factor. Product of these prime factor we get 9. Product of this prime factor we get 9. So students, 9 is a cube root of 729. 9 is a cube root of 729. So we have to write 9 is cube root of 729. Understood? Let us take in one more example. Find the cube root of 512. Okay. We have to solve the given number into prime factors by successive division. Okay. 512, it is divisible by 2. The number is divisible by 2. So we get 2 to ja 4, 1, 2 5 ja 10, 1, 2 6 ja 12. Okay. Again 256, it is also divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 and 2 8 ja 16. We get 128. 128, it is also divisible by 2. Okay. So 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. Okay. 64, we get 64. 64 divisible by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. We get 32. Okay. 32 divisible by 2. Okay. We get 16. Okay. And 16 divisible by 2 we get 8. We get 8. 2 4 ja 8. 8 divisible by 2 we get 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 times. So we get 2 and 2 divisible by 2 and 1. So we get 1. Okay. These are prime factors. These are prime factors. So you will write here how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. So we will write here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2, 2, 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. Okay. We will make pair of 3 equal prime factors. 3 equal prime factors. And in each pair, these prime factors are same. Second pair and it is third pair. Okay. And take one prime factor from each pair. 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. Okay. Product of these prime factor, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. We get 8. So 8 is cube root of 512. So students, 8 is cube root of 512. Understood? 8 is cube root of 512. Okay. Students, have you understood every step of this question? Okay. Thank you.